sending an individual worksheet. Whilst working with an executive, he told me that when he needed to send one of his team a worksheet with their monthly sales, he saved the existing file with a new name, deleted all the tabs he didn't want them to see, saved it, and then sent it. When I showed him how to send the individual worksheet without having to save it, it was a moment. Sometimes we get so caught up in what we're doing that we make things harder than they need to be, and we overlook the obvious. Whilst the process of saving the file, removing unwanted tabs, and then sending the email might have only taken a few minutes, doing it 5 or 10 times, depending upon the number of staff, could add up to half an hour or more each time they needed to send them data. By using this technique, that changed from hours to minutes, reducing stress, frustration, and risk, and allowing the executive more time to focus on more important matters. An important note, this tip saves even more time if you're using Microsoft Outlook for your email. Watch tip number 2 video to see it in action.
There will be times in Excel where you have a number of worksheet tabs in a file and you want to just send one worksheet to somebody. Rather than saving the file and then deleting the worksheets you don't want, the far easier way to do it is to right-click on the tab that you want to separate into a separate file and choose Move or Copy. Now from here we're going to choose Create a Copy and New Book and click OK. So what it's done is it's created a brand new workbook with just this worksheet tab in it. But you can additionally go back to your original file and the original worksheet's sitting there. So this is really useful because you could actually send this to someone to get them to complete it. Once it's returned, you could copy it, paste all the data back in here, and it's going to fit in perfectly because the two worksheets are formatted exactly the same. And of course, you can then go to File and Send, providing you're using Outlook. You'll be able to send this as an attachment or as a PDF, whatever you choose. So that's how you separate one Excel worksheet from the file in Excel 2016.
So what did you think of the short video on how to send an individual worksheet? Are there situations where this could be useful for you? Make a note of where you could use this tip in your reference booklet and start utilising it now so it becomes part of your Excel business toolkit. One of my favourite sayings is, you don't know what you don't know, but now you do.